So here we have the squeegee, and I've tightened it a little bit because it was flopping around a little bit, and as you can see I put 2 lock nuts on there, that way it's not going to go loose and it's nice and tight, that way I can use it on the pole without it flopping around. So anyway, we'll first do it by hand, and as you can see I'll just give it a bit of a scrub, and I'll just go slowly and just show you how easy it is to use now. And you can notice it's swivelling by itself. I'm just steering it, if you know what I mean. And I'll do it one more time. Just give it a bit of a scrub up again. And as you can see, you're able to move your body in a more natural way using this swivel movement on the squeegee. And anyway, we'll move on to pole work. So I've already scrubbed it, and I'll just show you how to squeegee. Please note on the pole that we've had a pretty severe angle to do it this way, but I figure that's because I'm sort of front on to the glass, but you can see it goes quite easy. So anyway, I'll just do it again just to show you, but as you can see, for me it actually works much better than the original movement, and the Concavex movement seems to work quite good. And well, I suppose that's about it.